What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm the Panda Photographer, and I am bringing you a Weebill 2 experience. So I'm using the gimbal, and I'm using it like a logger, even though I have more advanced skills than any other average human being with the gimbal. So I do have professional experience with the gimbal. So with that said, everyone, I am demonstrating how stable this is when you want to use it in a mixed environment, even you're logging and filming. So with that said, everyone, I just wanted to show you how smooth the pan is. But it's all about that footwork, right? How smooth it is when walking and using this as a logging device. So with that said, everyone, Zhiyun did not ask me to do this video. I'm doing this because I want to demonstrate my parameter settings and how stable this gimbal can be. Now, I am using this as a logging setup at this moment, but I am not using any ninja walking techniques. So with that said, everyone, disclaimer, as I said, Zhiyun did not ask me to do this video. I'm doing this video to show you a demonstration. So with that said, everyone, I am holding it with two hands and trying to keep it stable as much as possible, even though I am walking 2 steps per second. So with that said, everyone, take this gimbal experience with a grain of salt. And I'm showing you how smooth it can be and how smooth it is right now without that wobble effect that most gimbals have and older gimbals have based on their motor technology. So with that said, everyone, I found the Weebill 2 to be very smooth and very stable. As you can see here, very smooth. Now I am walking like I normally walk, but I'm also looking at the smartphone. I am using the Maven filters, using a polarizer CPL, and I'm using a 3-stop. So with that said, settings is at 1/50th, ISO is at 1/30th, and I am 7/10 under stop. So with that said, everyone, I'm shooting this in 4K, 24 frames a second. As we make a full circle to show you guys how smooth this gimbal is with my parameter settings, it should work ideal. Please do subscribe and support the channel, everyone, as I am giving you a full 4K demonstration. It does help if you subscribe and like, and it only takes 2 seconds out your day. So please. Now, I'm not using the joystick this whole entire time. Instead, I'm using the pan and follow focus. think this gimbal works really well. You guys let me know what you guys think about the gimbal and the setup. With that said, everyone, thank you for watching. See ya.